with the ability to penetrate deep into the forest. These modern machines not only increase productivity but also reduce the time needed to bring wood to the processing. With fast speed and high precision, this wood cutter has been at the forefront of the forestry industry today. Let's follow the powerful operation of these advanced machines. In the heart of the towering forest, the T-Mac 300 chainsaw emerges like a real giant in the trees, propelled by a powerful engine. With an impressive cutting speed of about 70 feet per second, it takes on the challenge of felling a huge and towering tree without fear.
Kyllä kertymää tulee silloin jonkun verran.
Close-up of the Komatsu 901XE machine's process of felling an old tree in the forest. Advanced technology and outstanding power of around 200 horsepower make it a force to be reckoned with. With a speed that rivals the power of nature, this machine creates a harmonious symphony between speed and power. Whirring through the woods with 120 cc of pure cutting power. The Stylus 881 and Farmer Takeda 808 side by side redefine the art of cutting giant oak trunks. With a relentless 7.4 horsepower and chains that dance through the wood like a symphony, these machines carve majestic oak trees with precision. Reaching the pinnacle of logging prowess, this saw is dedicated to giant fir trees. With a 6-foot blade length and powerful 150cc engine, it conquers the challenges of felling tall trees. In a forest in Finland, the T-Mac 300 stands tall like a giant among giants, with a powerful engine of about 300 horsepower. This formidable machine easily chiseled through towering trees, demonstrating advanced technology and precise control. In Finland, the T-Mac 400 includes a sharp mower and a sturdy rack and pinion that helps the mower move through snowy forests. With its incredible 400 horsepower engine, this machine conquers the icy landscape, demonstrating its ability to fell large trees with unparalleled efficiency. Among the towering tree trunks, the combi saw stands out as a versatile masterpiece, perfectly combining the efficiency of a chainsaw with the precision of a pruning tool. With its powerful 50cc engine, the combi easily cuts through tall wooden panels, demonstrating the perfect balance between power and refinement. Amid the towering trees, the Kubota X57 excavator asserts its dominance as a forestry powerhouse. With its powerful engine, this amazing technology solves the problem of felling trees effectively, paving the way for progress. Wackernusen, Et90 excavator is like a real conqueror of trees. Powered by the advanced technology equipped Conrad Woody 42, this machine easily cuts through the thickest tree trunks, demonstrating a combination of power and precision. The T-Mac 200F forestry mower equipped with collector and delimber reigns supreme. With formidable cutting ability, it transforms the snowy landscape into a symphony of falling wood. With precision and power, boasting impressive cutting capabilities, easily handling even the most difficult trees. At the heart of the woodwork shop, Ranisto Oi's Remek wood processor is a powerful machine, skillfully turning raw logs into uniform, high-quality firewood. With an advanced hydraulic system, this machine processes wood with outstanding efficiency, producing up to 5 cords per hour. Its precision and speed make it a widely used tool in agriculture. Roaring through the woods with 600 horsepower, this massive cutting machine dominates the wilderness. Its immense strength easily topples towering trees, creating a perfect product. Legendary Husqvarna 371 XP with 70.7cc engine conquers giant hardwood trees with ease. Harnessing 4.3 horsepower, this chainsaw cuts through towering oak trees like a hot knife through butter, leaving behind a trail of delicately cut logs. The giant trees were gently cut down by a giant machine built 20 years ago, with its working ability still remaining extremely effective, achieving high work efficiency. The Raleigh-headed Tiger Cat XC120 Tooties is a forestry giant, boasting an impressive 300 horsepower engine that can easily conquer the mightiest hardwoods. With its massive cutting capacity, this beast can handle huge logs, demonstrating its precision and strength. At the heart of forestry operations, the powerful 14-ton Volvo excavator equipped with the RSL tree. Felling attachment is a powerful force, easily cutting through 12-inch diameter, timber combining a powerful 200 horsepower engine with precision cutting technology, showing efficiency in every swing. Roaring through the timber scene, the Husqvarna 3000 120 CPI 42 is considered the lumberjack's true companion. With a powerful 118C engine and an impressive 42-inch cutting bar, this powerful machine easily handles tough giant tree trunks. With a giant 7-foot blade and a non-stop 200cc engine. The West Coast chainsaw completed the job in just a few minutes. Sal 462 is considered the epitome of craftsmanship in carpentry. With its nimble 20-inch bar and powerful 72.2C engine, this tree virtuoso moves through fir tree trunks with precision. Next, the Steel 44 chainsaw reigns supreme. With its massive 12.7 horsepower motor and impressive 25-inch bar, it dominates the woods with unprecedented authority. In just 10 minutes, the giant tree trunk was knocked. In just a few minutes, a tree trunk is cut into small pieces with just a small saw with sharp blades and a simple operating mechanism. Do these exciting moments satisfy you? Please leave a comment to let us know which device you like best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest videos. See you again in the next video.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.